Game week 2. Same league, same clowns. VAR roulette rolls back.
Here we go again.
Studs on Bob's foot, nowhere near the ball. Meanwhile, this is a pen.
Kudus, there he is again, what a nuisance, and Kudus might be in. Trafford does get there. That looked a foul by Reinders.
Kudus gets a 2-for-1 special kung fu kick and handball. Still, play on. Doku and McAllister last season, not given. And the best part, PGMOL even used that photo in their handbook for high foot challenges. They've had a whole year to learn from this.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
Brentford's goal chalked off. Why? Martinez acting like he's been sniped.
Meanwhile,
now Rice delivers right under the bar and in.
Bayandez is arguably worse. Goal.
Matoma with the outside of the boot delivers one into the penalty area. Minter with the shot.
Ball smashed into his arm. No time to react. Penalty. The ref's been chewing up Everton like it's half-time snacks. Tarkowski penalised for existing, and this week Dewsbury Hall penalised for breathing.
In that corner that we've just seen, well,
That needs looking at. I mean, he's just hurled him.
After review, Fulham number 3 pulls a Manchester player to the ground. Final decision, penalty kick.
And minor assault maybe, but we'll leave it there.
a few moments later.
Everybody else is in. It's a dangerous ball, and it's headed in. It's a free header.
Clear and obvious push in the back, foul. Same game, same refs, different universe.
United الدنمارك راسموس هويلاند.
Refs staring straight at it, and somehow VAR, nothing.
On the wall, so it's like a finger painting.
Fuck you.
Nice idea, but well read by Kirkers. It's broken fortunately there at Jones.
Gravenberch flies in high. We're all thinking red.
Suspension and picks up a yellow card within 8 minutes of his return.
I don't understand. I don't know what's going on here. He's lost the plot.
It's red card for Newcastle United number 10.
Stonewall red. No complaints.
You know who's back up in this
But somehow, Van Dijk racks up his GBH charge sheet and sees Nish. Starting to think he's got some coot level info on these refs.
You can't keep getting away with it! He can't keep getting away with it!
PGMOL and Virgil van Dijk name a more iconic duo.
W's in the shot. W's in the shot.
Now let's see what the Justice League table's serving up. City stamped on, no pen. Everton munched again. Brentford robbed off a legit goal. Fulham bent both ways. Newcastle stitched up, while United get a turn on the roulette wheel. Unfortunately, the roulette wheel just can't stop spinning. Spotted a howler we've missed? Drop it in the comments or tag @whistleblowers. You might just make next week's weekly whistle. And if you thought last weekend was bad, Wait till you see our full expose. VAR in the Premier League, a complete joke. Coming soon.